What if software testing could predict bugs before they happen? AI is making it possible. Say goodbye to slow, error-prone testing and hello to smart, self-healing automation. Stay tuned to explore the future of testing. In today's fast-evolving digital world, software quality is more critical than ever. Companies strive for faster releases, fewer defects, and seamless user experiences. But traditional software testing struggles to keep up. It's time for a revolution, one powered by artificial intelligence and machine learning. The shift towards AI-powered test automation. As software applications grow more complex, manual testing and conventional automation face significant challenges. Enter AI and machine learning, technologies that bring predictive analytics, self-learning algorithms, and real-time monitoring to the testing process. These advancements ensure greater accuracy, reduced maintenance, and faster test execution. Imagine an AI-driven system that predicts potential bugs even before a single line of code is executed. AI makes software testing not only faster, but smarter. Self-healing test scripts, reducing maintenance hassles. One of the biggest pains in traditional test automation is script maintenance. When software changes, test scripts break, requiring constant manual updates. But with AI-driven self-healing test scripts, this problem becomes a thing of the past. Let's take an example. Suppose a web application undergoes a UI update. Buttons are moved, labels are changed. Typically, this would mean rewriting test scripts. But AI-powered testing tools can automatically adapt to these changes, eliminating the need for human intervention. This not only reduces costs, but also speeds up deployment. AI-driven test case generation, smarter coverage. Creating effective test cases manually is time-consuming and prone to human error. AI revolutionizes this process by analyzing past test results, user interactions, and application behavior to generate optimal test cases. Through natural language processing, NLP, and neural networks, AI can transform user requirements into comprehensive test scenarios, ensuring better test coverage with minimal effort. Predictive bug detection, a game changer. What if we could prevent defects before they occur? AI makes this possible through predictive analytics. By analyzing historical defect patterns, bug reports, and code changes, AI models can identify high-risk areas of the application. This proactive approach reduces post-deployment failures, ensuring a more stable and secure software release. For instance, in a large-scale banking application, AI-driven predictive testing can highlight potential security vulnerabilities before they become a real threat, saving organizations millions in damage control. Real-time monitoring and anomaly detection. Modern enterprise applications operate in dynamic environments, with thousands of interconnected microservices and APIs. Traditional testing methods struggle to monitor such complex ecosystems in real time. AI-powered monitoring tools, however, continuously analyze test execution, detect anomalies, and flag unexpected behaviors instantly. Imagine an e-commerce platform experiencing slowdowns due to high traffic. AI-driven monitoring can pinpoint the exact bottleneck in real time, ensuring quick resolution before it impacts users. Automated root cause analysis, faster debugging. When tests fail, diagnosing the issue can be a daunting task. AI-powered debugging tools streamline this process by analyzing system logs, test results, and past defects to pinpoint the root cause. This automation significantly reduces debugging time, allowing teams to focus on innovation rather than troubleshooting. Optimized test execution with intelligent prioritization. Time is a crucial factor in software testing. AI optimizes test execution by intelligently prioritizing test cases based on historical defects, code complexity, and system changes. High-risk areas are tested first, ensuring that critical issues are identified early in the development cycle. This leads to faster feedback and more efficient resource utilization. The future of AI in test automation. The journey of AI in software testing is just beginning. Future advancements include AI-driven visual testing, low-code, no-code automation frameworks, and synthetic data generation for enhanced test coverage. As organizations integrate AI into DevOps pipelines, we move towards self-sustaining testing ecosystems that require minimal human intervention. The benefits of AI in software testing. Improved accuracy. AI eliminates human errors in test execution and analysis. Faster testing cycles. AI-driven automation significantly reduces testing time. Lower maintenance costs. Self-healing scripts minimize manual intervention. Better test coverage. AI-generated test cases ensure comprehensive testing. Proactive bug detection. Predictive analytics prevent defects before deployment. Challenges and considerations. Despite its advantages, AI-driven test automation comes with challenges. Organizations must invest in the right infrastructure, skilled professionals, and quality data to fully harness AI's capabilities. AI models must be continuously trained with accurate data sets to ensure reliability. Additionally, collaboration between developers, QA engineers, and AI specialists is crucial for successful implementation. Conclusion. AI and machine learning are transforming the landscape of software testing, making it more efficient, intelligent, and adaptable. By leveraging AI-driven automation, companies can achieve faster releases, superior software quality, and enhanced user satisfaction. As technology continues to evolve, AI-powered testing will become the backbone of modern software development. The future of testing is here. Are you ready to embrace it? If you found this video valuable, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, and set the bell icon to all for notifications. Feel free to leave a respectful comment. Vulgar or inappropriate comments will be blocked. See you in the next video.